हाय फ्रेंड्स, क्या हाल चाल है आपका। मैं हूं डॉक्टर मीनल और हम कर रहे हैं यहाँ आईटीए नेट के फर्स्ट पेपर की कोचिंग। आज का हमारा टॉपिक है आईसीटी के कुछ इम्पोर्टेंट एब्रीविएशंस एंड टर्मिनोलॉजीज। राइट, तो शुरुआत करते हैं हम नेटवर्क से। नेटवर्क is a system of interconnected computers. There are a number of types of computer networks like LAN, WAN, WLAN, PAN, MAN, CAN, SAN, VPN. Right, start with LAN. That means local area network. LANs use cable to connect a number of computers within the same location or in close proximity. WAN. WAN is wide area network. WAN use telephone lines and other telecommunication devices to link computers in widely separated locations. Next is WLAN, Wireless Local Area Network. Wireless Local Area Network links two or more devices using some wireless distribution method and provides connection through an access point to the wider internet. Next is PAN. PAN is Personal Area Network. PAN is a computer network used for communication among computers and different IT devices which is close to one person. Next is MAN. MAN is Metropolitan Area Network. MAN is a network of computers located at different sites within a large fixed area such as a city. CAN. CAN is Campus Area Network. CAN is a network of multiple interconnected local area networks in a limited geographical area. A CAN is smaller than WAN or MAN. SAN. SAN is Storage Area Network. It is also called Server Area Network. VPN, Virtual Private Network. It is a computer network in which some of the links between the nodes are carried out by open connections or virtual circuits in some larger network instead of physical wires, for example, Internet. Next is HTTP. It is Hypertext Transfer Protocol. It defines the format of communication between web browsers and web servers. IMAP, it is Internet Message Access Protocol. It defines the format of communication between email servers and clients. SSL is Secure Sockets Layer, a protocol developed by Netscape for transmitting private documents through the Internet. TCP or IP, that means Transfer Control Protocol or Internet Protocol. It is the main data transfer protocol used in the Internet. It manages all the information that moves across the Internet. It consists of multiple protocols, each of which transfers data across the network in a different format and with different options. FTP, File Transfer Protocol, a set of guidelines or standards that establish the format in which files can be transmitted from one computer to another. TFTP, Trivial File Transfer Protocol. This protocol allows transferring of files between the network devices. WIP, Voice over Internet Protocol. It is an audio communication using the internet instead of telephones. Skype and Ventriol are examples of VoIP. HTML. HTML is a hypertext markup language. It is a formatting language which is used to establish the appearance of the web page. Thus, it helps in creating pages on the World Wide Web. The HTML also enables us to insert hypertext links within one web page or to other pages anywhere on the web. Next is SGML, means Standardized General Markup Language. A Meta language that can be applied to documents in order to maintain their structure and context. URL, very popular, Uniform Resource Locator. It is an address for a specific document found on the web. It can also be termed as the location of a resource on the internet. A URL specifies the address of the computer where the resource is located, which may be the home page of a website. It is made up of several components like a domain name, the directories and subdirectories of the site, and the extension. It is also known as web address. SMTP. SMTP is Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. Network based email was initially exchanged on the ARPANET in extension to the FTP, but it is now carried by SMTP. ISP, Internet Service Provider. It is the organization that provides the internet service to connect the device to the internet service. And now there are three terms: internet, intranet, and extranet. Internet is the uh, system that links existing networks into a worldwide network. Intranet, it is a private network inside a company or an educational organization and used over its LAN. This can be taken as local internet and it is under single administrative setup. Extranet, it is technology that permits users of an organization's intranet to enter portions of another organization's intranet in order to conduct business transactions or collaborate to joint projects. Telnet, a protocol that allows a computer to connect with a remote host computer on the internet. The use of Telnet has diminished as the web's HTTP has become a dominant protocol. Some easy abbreviations: PPI, pixel per unit per inch. It decides the quality of picture pixels. USB, Universal Serial Bus. LCD, liquid crystal display. OTG, on to go. HS, hotspot. GSM, global system of mobile for mobile communication. GPS, global positioning system. DVD, digital video disc. Thank you. That's all for this video. Hope you liked my video, and if you liked, please subscribe and press the bell button. Bye.